Good morning, class. This is Mrs. Edwards, and today I'd like to talk to you about our grammar subject, which is sentences. What makes a sentence a sentence? Very simply, every complete sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. The subject is who or what the sentence is about, while the predicate tells what that subject does. Let's look at these examples. In the first sentence it says, Mr. Smith took a walk. The subject is Mr. Smith. And what did he do? He took a walk. Took is the verb that starts your predicate. The second sentence says, the dentist pulled out a tooth. Who pulled out the tooth? The dentist did. And what did he do? His action word is he pulled out a tooth. Again, that action word, that verb, is what starts the predicate. And the third sentence says, the pig with the big snout slobbered on a kid. What or who is the subject? It's the pig with the big snout. And what was his action, or what is starting the predicate? It's the word slobbered. He slobbered on a kid. What did you notice about the subject? What did you notice about the predicate? Let's look at these examples one more time. The first sentence, Mr. Smith took a walk. The dentist pulled out a tooth. The pig with the big snout slobbered on a kid. Look at those sentences and think about what you notice in each case. One thing you should have noticed is that the subject always comes before the verb. And the verb, which we call it's an action word, starts the predicate. So let's look at three new sentences and see if you can find the subject with the predicate in these sentences. The first sentence says, Tom ate the sandwich. The second sentence, Kelly ran around the track. And the third sentence, Hannah wants to sing. Think about what word comes before the verb, your action word, and then what word is the action word that is actually starting the predicate. Tom ate the sandwich. Kelly ran around the track. Hannah wants to sing. Tom, Kelly, and Hannah are the subjects in each sentence. They are the who that is performing the action. Can you find the predicate? Well, our hint is to look for the verb. Sometimes I call that a red flag. When you see that verb, that's your red flag that's telling you what starts the predicate. So here we have the predicate follows the subject and starts with the verb. Tom ate the sandwich. That ate is starting our predicate. Kelly ran around the track. Ran is your action word. That's your verb. Hannah wants to sing. Again, wants is your verb and it is starting your predicate. And as our rule states here, the predicate follows the subject and starts with the verb. I've given you this screen again because this is the information that you need to write in your KFC or your Knowledge for College book. I will be checking tomorrow to make sure that you have written everything down. You're going to start by writing down this first sentence. Every complete sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. Then you need to write down the definition of the subject. The subject is who or what the sentence is about. And finally, you're going to write down the definition for the predicate. The predicate tells what the subject does. All of that, 3 sentences, or you could think of it as a sentence and 2 bullet points, needs to be written down in your KFC. Please feel free to stop this video and take care of that assignment right now. And then secondly, you are to write 3 simple sentences. After you write those sentences, underline the subject in each sentence and circle the predicate in each sentence. Be ready to share this when you come to small group tomorrow. You are welcome to watch this video as many times as you would like. There are several sets, actually there's 6 different sentences in this video that give you examples of simple sentences. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.